So the first fundamental is proper preparation. If you guys make a trade and you're not properly prepared, it's a waste. You're not going to know whether or not, you're not going to get the experience from that trade that is most valuable. And that's what's most important. You have to get a year of experience. If you don't know what the short interest in this is in the stock, you're not getting the experience you need. If you don't know what the daily volume is in the stock, you're not getting the experience that you need. If you don't know where the last support level and the last resistance level on the daily chart is, you're not getting the experience that you need. If you don't know what the news is exactly in the stock, you're not getting the experience. And you guys can kind of see this. Like sometimes you'll see something where a company will beat for the full year on guidance. And you'll look at that number and you'll be like, wow, this should go up. But if you missed that their margins are lighter than anticipated, that's a completely different experience. And there are so many people that go through this. They look at it, they see a stock that has earnings, they're like, wow, the earnings are blowout, and then they don't understand why it doesn't hold its gap. And they just sit there and they're like, oh, I got screwed. That's not a good experience. Or something gets above a really significant technical level, and Brad, you were talking about this today in one of the stocks, 60 was a really significant technical level. If it gets above there and runs, and it has a positive news catalyst behind it, and you're sitting there not knowing that 60 is an important technical level and surprised that it ran above 60, you're not getting the experience that you should. Something's going to trade differently when it breaks above a really significant technical level, right? Something with a news catalyst that gets above a significant technical level trades differently than something that has a news catalyst that's not above a significant technical level. And if you sit in your seat for a year and you're getting half experiences, you're not going to be the person who is one of the couple of guys who's really doing well in their first test in October. And we say this a lot. You got to do 1,000 little things every day really, really well. And sometimes I come in here and I'm kind of hard on you guys for missing certain details for stocks in play. And there's a reason for that. I want you to have the full experience.